Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn mechanism of photosynthesis. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is two types: light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. Okay, first of all, what do you mean by the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plant can prepare their own food. Is it clear? It is a complex process. Many intermediate compounds are produced during photosynthesis. Okay, this photosynthesis reaction are divided into two types: light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. What do you mean by light dependent reaction? It means this reaction takes place only during the daytime. What do you mean by the light dependent reaction? This reaction takes place only during the daytime. Okay, this reaction required sunlight. This reaction required sunlight. Okay, that's why it is called light dependent reaction. Okay, today we are going to learn light dependent reaction. Okay, light dependent reaction also called photochemical phase Hill's reaction. It is also called photochemical phase Hill's reaction. Where this light dependent reaction takes place? Before going to know about that, we need to understand the structure of chloroplast. We need to understand the structure of chloroplast. It is a chloroplast. All the green parts of the plant contain chloroplast. Chloroplast is not present in all parts of the plant body. It is only present in the green parts of the plant body. Chloroplast is a three membrane structure. It is an inner membrane, it is an outer membrane, and these sac-like structure which are piled up one above other are grana thylakoids. It is this space, empty space filled with fluid is called stroma. Is called stroma. Is it clear? It is a chloroplast. Chloroplast is a three membrane structure. It is an inner membrane, outer membrane, and inside the chloroplast the membrane structures are present. These are grana thylakoids. These are grana thylakoids. These are grana thylakoids. So this light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoids. Okay, this light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoid. In this grana thylakoid, chlorophyll is present. The pigment chlorophyll is present. Is it clear? These are the disc or sac-like structures piled up, arranged one above other, are called grana thylakoids. Okay, this light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoids. This light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoids. So what happens in the light dependent reaction? Now we discuss. Okay, light dependent reactions requires sunlight. Okay, light dependent reaction requires sunlight. Okay, a small molecules present in sunlight. Okay, small molecules present in sunlight, those are called photons. Okay, small molecules present in sunlight, those are called photons. Okay, the energy is stored in the photons. The energy is stored in the photons. The energy is called quantum. The energy is called quantum. Is it clear? Small molecules are present in the sunlight. It is called photons. Okay, the energy is stored in the photons. Okay, here the photons are small pack like structures. Okay, the energy is stored in the photons is the energy is called quantums. So here the light dependent reaction takes place in the grana. Light dependent reactions takes place in the grana thylakoid. This empty space filled with fluid is called stroma. So what happens in the grana thylakoid? We discuss. The pigment chlorophyll present in the grana thylakoid when the chlorophyll exposed to the sunlight, okay, when the chlorophyll which is present in the grana thylakoid exposed to the sunlight, it get activated. It is a chlorophyll, okay, when it is exposed to sunlight, it get activated, okay. The activated chlorophyll lost one electron, okay. The activated chlorophyll lost one electron. Losing of electron is called oxidation, is called oxidation. Is it clear? The NADP present in the grana thylakoid, NADP is the, what do you mean by the NADP? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. What do you mean by NADP? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Is it clear? This NADP receives the electron and forms NADPH. Okay, NADP receives the electron, forms NADP. NADP is the chemical compound present in the grana thylakoid. Okay, it receives the electron from the activated chlorophyll and it forms NADPH. Okay, the receiving of electron is called reduction. Loss of electron is called oxidation. Receiving of electron is called reduction. Is it clear? What we are discussing? Light dependent reaction. Where this light dependent reaction takes place? Light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoids. Light dependent reaction takes place in the grana thylakoids. What present in the grana thylakoid? Chlorophyll present in the grana thylakoid. Okay, when this chlorophyll exposed to the sunlight, it get activated by capture the sunlight energy. Okay, the activated chlorophyll, here I put star mark na, this is activated chlorophyll, this is normal chlorophyll. This activated chlorophyll lost one electron. The process of losing electron is called oxidation. The chemical compound NADP present in the grana thylakoid, okay, it receives one electron and forms NADPH. The receiving of electron is, the process of receiving electron is called reduction. When the water molecule enters, when the water molecules enters in the grana thylakoids, the water molecule divided into H plus ions, electrons and the O2. This O2 releases into the atmosphere, releases into atmosphere, and these H plus ions are present in the grana thylakoid. Is it clear everyone?